Hey you guys, so on today I'll be doing a Flexi Rod tutorial on blow dried hair. So what you'll need is a wide tooth comb preferably and the oil of your choice for this step. As you can see at this point in the video, I'm using the Do Grow growth oil with the nozzle tip, and I'm just oiling my scalp and then rubbing it in. As usual, I do about a 1 inch part in between sections and then do the same thing. I'm applying the oil only to my scalp, not to the hair shaft, because I have something different to moisturize my hair. But basically at this point I'm just gonna oil I'm just gonna oil my whole scalp and rub it in and then give myself a nice head massage, which is great just to distribute the oil throughout your whole head. Which is great just to kind of awaken your hair and your hair follicles. You don't have to use Do Grow oil, just whatever oil you're comfortable with. So you guys see here I have a bunch of Flexi Rods. The blue ones are a little skinnier than the orange ones. I got them at my local beauty store. I think it's $2 to $3.99 for a pack of 6. On my hair I'll be using the New Grow. It's like a pomade, a moisturizing pomade, kind of like a grease, except it doesn't have petroleum or mineral oil. It smells really light, not as harsh as the rest of New Grow products. And if you can see here, when you put it in your hand, and you rub it in, it turns clear, so there won't be any white residue in your hair. So using your wide tooth comb, you just part off a section. It's all up to you how big or small you want the sections to be, depending on how big or small you want your curls. So I took about like a medium size section, parted that off, and then I used the New Grow pomade to moisturize that strand or section of hair rather. And I also seal my ends at the same time. So after running it through my hair, you see I twist in one direction all the way down to the end, and after that then I twist the other direction, just making sure that every part of my hair is saturated with the moisturizer. And then I get my Flexi Rod. Being that this section is a little smaller, I'm using the blue rather than the orange, and I usually start from the center and wrap the ends around, making sure that the ends is tucked in. I'm sorry you guys, I was watching Law and Order SVU, so I'm a little distracted, but always making sure the end is tucked in, then roll it up all the way to the root and then bend the sides over. That is nice and tight. So I'm just gonna do the rest, let this fast forward a bit, and I'll be back when I'm done. So now it's time for the finishing touches. I'm using my Elastic Glaze Conditioning Gel to slick down my quote-unquote baby hairs. If you're not familiar with Elastic Glaze, it's a clear gel, though it has the consistency of Let's Jam rather than gel. It doesn't flake. It has a slight aloe smell. It doesn't make your hair hard or anything like that. It actually does really condition and moisturize your edges at the same time. So I'm just using that to slick down any flyaways that I may have in the front. And then I'm using my silk bonnet that I got from Sally's just to sleep with, because I think putting on a headscarf, it probably would press down against the flexi rods and make it kind of uncomfortable to sleep. So right about now, it's sleepy time. I'm kind of tired. So I'll see you guys in the morning with the results. So right here, we're looking at the finished results, or the final results. You know what I mean. I'm using the basic hairpin or hair clip or bobby pin, whatever you call it, just to pin up the front to get it out of my face. This is somewhat the look I was going for. I think next time I'll use only the blue ones so that my curls will be smaller and more compact. But overall, I do like it. It's a style that I'll do again, being that I don't have to use any heat on my hair to get this look. So that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe.